Hello there. Good evening. I've just had an email and also some comments on some other videos very kindly from Jolanta Hill, who's sent these comments in respect of an imminent or soon to be begun, that's the same thing, isn't it? Imminent, independent review of the criminal courts. I should start this video again, shouldn't I? But I won't. Anyway, independent review of the criminal courts. I'll put a link below to it. There's somebody called the former president of the Queen's Bench Division, Sir Brian Leveson, has been appointed to carry out an independent review into the criminal courts. Now, the scope of it does seem to be around reclassification of certain offences, consideration of magistrates' sentencing powers, this concept of an intermediate court being inserted there, and other structural changes to ensure proportionate use of resource. So it does seem to be focused on resources in contrast to what there seem to be saying is an overwhelming amount of cases being brought. It says here, the Crown Court caseload has risen substantially over recent years for complex reasons, including the pandemic and an increase in a number of cases coming before the courts. Nonetheless, I think this is a really good opportunity because you can, in the link I give you below that Jolanta Hill has sent to me, you can actually contact them. You can make a statement. It's got a contact email here, and it's got an email specifically to do with responses, which is independentreviewcriminalcourts@justice.gov.uk. If you follow the link, I'll put it in the I'll put that email as well in the description for this video, and then you can respond to that in light of anything you can think of to do with the criminal justice system as a whole and the court system, in terms of what we've seen and what we are seeing in the obvious miscarriage of justice with regard to Lucy Letby. It's just another way into that system to talk to them, isn't it? And to get emails to them, in one way or another. To what degree they'll engage with them, I don't know. It's just another. I mean, they're literally asking for responses to this idea about a restructuring of the a reuse of the resources, etc. But I think the main purpose of the criminal justice system is it's meant to do what it says on the tin. It's meant to do the justice bit, isn't it? And if it's failed in that in such a monstrous way as it has, and is continuing to fail for every day that Lucy Letby is kidnapped by the state and imprisoned falsely, then it's not doing the justice bit. And no doubt, Lucy Letby isn't the only one. There's going to be probably thousands of other people there. But we've been focusing on this terrible miscarriage of justice related to Lucy Letby. So I'll put the link below, and I'll put the email as well for responses to this. It'd be a good idea if you read it's not very long, you read the outline of why they're doing this independent review. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you so much, Jolanta Hill, for flagging this up. And I really appreciate that. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.